Akure in Sunshine State, the Executive Governor of Ondo State, His Excellency Rotimi Akeredolu, the Senior Advocate of Nigeria, CON, is at it again as part of his administrative vision, has commenced the reconstruction of over 35-kilometer network of road in Akure, the state capital. Speaking during an unscheduled visit to Rotimi and Obaile on Thursday, 28th day in the month of October 2022, the Honorable Commissioner for Infrastructure, Land and Housing, Engineer Rotimi Aminu, and the people of Rotimi and Obaile community that are available to join him inspect the site are pleased, happy, and appreciate our zealous governor for turning and looking into their area. They have this to say.
We are at Rotimi Road. And total length of the road to be constructed there is about 2 kilometers. We have Rotimi to Don Bosco. We maintain from Don Bosco to Oyarubulem. We have spur at that Don Bosco roundabout, and we have Rotimi to Stadium. Total length that we are constructing now is about 35 kilometers or more. Township roads, they have their own advantage. More so, government has spent colossal sums of money on these projects on these roads in the past, and most of them, their design life has been expired. So we discovered that we can't just fold our arms and allow these roads to completely fail. Because if they fail completely 100%, that means we are doing total reconstruction like a virgin road.
Ìgbà tá a di ilẹ̀ dé bí àlà ló jẹ́ lójú wa, ó tó jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé ronú kan rárá. So a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ arákùnrin, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ gidigidi. Tá a bá ń dúpẹ́ láti ní dọ̀la, mi à mọ̀rú ọpẹ́ tá a lè dá nítorí àìmọye ẹ̀mí ló ti sọnù ládùúgbò yìí.
Tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ojú ọ̀nà yìí gan wọ́ọ̀sì gan, àwọn ọlọ́kadà máa ń gbéyàn ṣubú. Pàápàá àwọn tó bá ń fẹsẹ̀ rìn gan, ọlọ́kadà á bá wọn bẹ̀. Bẹ̀sì báyìí a ti rí pé àyípadà rẹ̀ ó ti dé bá wa ní Rotimi. A dúpẹ́ gan lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa, wọ́n ṣe iṣẹ́ ribiribi tó ń ṣe.
A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìjọba Akeredolu, ó bá ṣọ̀nà yá dáadáa. Tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ náà ṣubú níbi kan á kú. Kọjá pé mọ́tò awórí olómìnir. Ìgbà kan ètè bá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ a dúpẹ́ lọ́rẹ̀ o.
The drive is due to the initiative of Mr. Governor and the passion he has for the state. Because we discovered that majority of our existing roads, they were bad. So based on that, we wrote Mr. Governor, we submitted our report, we defended it, and he graciously approved it for maintenance as a phase A. And this is one of the roads. Here is Obaile road network, which is about 5 kilometers. Here you can see all the equipment working, the asphalt, and the rolling process is ongoing. So we are happy with what the contractor is doing, and we are happy with the completion we received from the residents.
What we are seeing today is a dream come true. We have never had it like this before, and we want to thank the governor. We only want to thank all residents, and we are appealing to everybody that what God has used this government to do, we should protect it. It is very important. If you want to do a borehole, you want to do drainages, let us see how we can contact them. They will give us a professional advice as to see how to protect this place. If you see what we have seen there, is like we are going to ride on an aircraft on the road. The last time he came, he gave us a new vision in education. He focused on education. Now he's focusing on infrastructure, and we are benefiting today. We want to thank him. Before we were calling him talk and do, now we are adding it. It's Mr. Project.
Gómìnà Akeredolu ẹ kú iṣẹ́ o. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa. Ìjọba rẹ̀ tù wá lára o. Ondo State ń gòkè lábẹ́ Akeredolu. Akeredolu ń ṣe bẹ̀bẹ̀.
So bọ́dẹ̀ ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ wọn parí ẹ̀ láyọ̀ àtàlàfíà o. Ilé tó kù nínú ìgbésí ayé wọn tó fẹ́ lò ní ti gómìnà tó ń bá lọ yìí wọ́n á ṣe láyọ̀ àtàlàfíà.
Wow! I'm proud of our governor's administration that gives him the privilege to have great names. Arakure Rotimi Akeredolu, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, CON, Mr. Talk and Do, and another brand name that's worth emulating, Mr. Project. This program is brought to you by the Ministry of Infrastructure, Land and Housing under the leadership of Honorable Commissioner Engineer Rotimi Aminu, as we further project and reveal the good work of the governor's administration. Till then,